This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nutella soufflé without eggs. Forget traditional methods. We're diving into a clever trick using aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas. This amazing ingredient whips up just like egg whites, giving your soufflé that signature light and airy texture. You'll be surprised at how simple it is to achieve a perfectly puffed dessert. First, let's prepare our base. Gently warm about 1/2 cup of Nutella in a microwave or over a double boiler until it's slightly softened and easy to mix. Next, for our egg-free meringue, take 1/2 cup of chilled aquafaba and whip it with a pinch of cream of tartar. Continue whipping until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks, then slowly incorporate 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Now for the magic. Carefully fold about 1/3 of your whipped aquafaba meringue into the softened Nutella. This lightens the base. Then, gently fold in the remaining meringue in 2 separate additions, being careful not to deflate the air. Divide the mixture evenly into 2 greased and sugared ramekins. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 17 minutes. Your eggless Nutella soufflés are ready when they've beautifully puffed up and have a slight jiggle in the center. It's crucial to serve them immediately to experience their incredible height and delicate, airy texture before they begin to deflate. For an extra touch of elegance, dust them with a sprinkle of powdered sugar or serve alongside some fresh, vibrant berries. Enjoy this delightful, egg-free treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.